Uh,
Can you able to see my screen, Shobita?
yeah, yeah.
So this is my first question here. One second. So I'm going to start with 7 steps of project,
Okay.
this factor project. So initially, we have to give a demo of the application first. So based on that, only after that, we'll go to requirement gathering. So first we have to give the demo to the client, and once the demo is done, then after that we have to gather the requirements from the client. After that, the next step would be flowchart. Flowchart about the project, and after and the next step would be implementation and configuration part, where we have to configure the things based on the requirements from the client. And after that, testing will be there. So
Mm,
testing from our side actually.
okay.
Testing from whether the requirements are matching with the clients or not. We have to test all those things. And after that, and user acceptance test will be there. This is from the client end. So the client has to check no, all
Dinesh, Dinesh.
yes,
Yeah, my
yes,
voice.
Kavita, can
Yeah, I will be on mute, okay? Because due to fever, I'm continuously sneezing. It may disturb you. So
no problem.
I will be on mute. You can continue. If any question arise, I will ask you.
Okay, fine. And then this part, the user acceptance testing, which is done by client part. So client has to check all the all the applications, like all the requirements which he has given to the consultant. So he has to check all those all kind of requirements, and finally he is okay with all the things, and will go with live. So the project will go with the live once he's done all the testing, and finally, if required, support will be there. So this is the 7 steps of the project success factor, and the next we are going with. So there is a going with there is two kind of access will be there. The first one is the provisioning access, and second will be instant access. So provisioning access is done by master login. This is handled by CMO's consultant in SAP SuccessFactors. Here we are here. That is a master login will be there, and for creating a super admin, which is also comes under provisioning access, enabling the models like what kind of model, whether the recruitment or whether the recruitment or else employee central, all kind. If anything which is related to SAP SuccessFactors, we have to enable it from here itself. After that, control RBP, which means control RBP means we have to give the permissions for what kind of the permissions the consultant has to decide to give it to the instant access. And then second, the instant access will done by like uh, consultant who has good experience. He has to create the admin login, and he has to create the config in the system and maintaining the users. All those things are comes under the instant access. All these instant access permissions are which is comes under provisional access, which is done by the senior most consultant. He has to report to the senior most consultant. After that, data models will be there.
Uh-huh.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Continue.
There is a 4 types of data models in SAP SuccessFactors. So first one is corporate data model, and second one is country specific data model, and third one is success data model, and uh, fourth one country specific succession data model. Corporate data models, it is we have. So we are in corporate data model, we have to create the company, business, what business unit, department, location, all those things are comes under the corporate data model. And then country specific data model, which is it's comes under the sorry, address, uh, address and geo, all those things are comes under country specific data model. And then successful data model is all kind of employee informations or comes under success data model. And finally, country specific data models, just like identity, we have to create what if we are creating any identity or other TAN or anything which is related to the government specific IDs that this all comes under country specific success data model. And then next is pick list. Pick list. Just it is country specific field where we can pre-configure and we can change it according to the record. Actually, pick list is a configuration. It's a configuration set of the options from which the user select in the drop down menu or search list. This is called pick list. And second, I'm going with next one is data centers in success factor. So there is many data centers are there. Mainly, first one is the production data center. So there is four kind of data centers in
No,
SAP success factor.
no, no, not four kinds of data centers. This is
Maybe some client have two or some client have three. Am I
data
right?
is different. This
Okay.
tenants are different. Okay, so
Okay.
just remove this slide.
Okay. This will not come production development.
Production, development, testing, and quality that will be there, but that is
Okay.
not related to data center. Data center is
Okay.
like where our data is getting stored. Okay, or from our
Okay.
system. So
For
just
different country, right? From different country, right?
anything, it will be same country, different country, but data centers are there. So there are almost 40 plus data centers. So that is,
Okay.
and these are the production, development, testing, and not, it is not stagging, it is quality. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. I'll
So
change it.
we called it as a tenants, environment, or systems.
Okay.
uh
Okay. I'll change it then.
Remove that headline also. Yeah, continue. Continue.
Okay. One second. Then page, next thing is the home page. This is the home page, and
I'm hearing.
this is the
Continue.
yeah. Okay. Okay. This is a home page, and where this is a model picker, and this one is the global action. Whatever if we are configuring anything that we have to configuring our which if you would like to go to any page, we can use this home global action. And second thing, in home page, if you are changing any images or anything, and we have to give manage home page, and after that this this page will come. And from here we have to change the banner image. From here we have to change the banner image. After that, from here if you are continuing with the default banner image, we can click on over there. Or if you want to change this banner image, then you have to click and upload an image from here. The next thing. So from global action, if you're adding any employee or reporting or anything, we can add it from here. This part, the T codes will not be required. Whatever the page, if you like to go, we have to type it over here. Okay. Next thing is the admin center. So if you are going to the admin center, we can click on over here. So if you are configuring the home page, home page, and first thing I'm going with the team manager. So from team manager, this is the default colors. If you are changing, this is the 5 default colors. And Kavita, I'm having a doubt actually. Two standard colors are will be there. Whether we can enable
Huh.
or disable. I
Yeah.
forgot that actually.
These are two. Five color is one type, and one color is one type here. Apart
Correct.
from that one, you can change according to your requirement in theme manager.
Okay.
Huh.
Okay.
Yeah, please continue.
Okay. So, and next I'm going with the quick action. So whatever the actions required, we have to add it through quick action. So if you are adding recruitment or anything onboarding, anything which we are adding in the homepage, we have to add from the add quick action button from here. And after that, I'm adding with the recruitment first. So we are here. We have to mention the description, whether it is comes under whether if it is comes under one second, whether if it comes under pop-up or URL or mobile, what we have to decide from navigation part, and after that from assignment.
Correct only. Go ahead.
Okay. So we have to I forgot. We have to mention the URL, and after that we are going with the assignment.
You have to add. You're adding thumbnail, right?
Yes.
Sorry, you're adding icon.
So I'm adding a quick action icon. Yes, the group.
Thumbnail will be bigger. It's a kind of a image. Icon will be like icons what you're seeing on the home screen.
Second icon.
You can change with image. I'm unable to see your screen, but
One
I can.
second.
No, screen is visible, but this size is very small.
Okay, okay.
Continue anyway, no problem.
Second icon.
So you're
So
trying to pop over or you email URL?
no, URL actually. Papo, not this Papo already. For the
Uh,
recruitment, I'm talking about URL.
okay, carry on.
Okay, so if we are adding any quick action, then we have to mention whether if it is a recruitment or anything. We have to mention it over here.
Mm,
It was showing like this.
okay.
So this is the default icon. Here we have to mention whether if it is a URL or email or anything that we are mentioning.
Hmm.
Here we have to get the URL from here
Hmm.
and paste it over here. Like this, we have to add the quick action.
ఫోన్ స్విచ్ ఆఫ్ అని వస్తుంది ఇంకొక గంట పోయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ చేస్తాను ఓకే పడుకున్నావా ఫోన్ కింద
Yeah.
Next is next if you are adding any theme or anything that we have to add from here. So we have for adding any theme, we have to go
Dinesh,
with
show me the icon, recruitment icon where you have added.
one second.
I didn't. I missed out that.
This one.
If you have
This one
taken,
we have added. Can you able to see it?
uh, this is theme manager, right?
Uh, quick action.
Go up, page number 14. Page number 14. Up, up.
Yes, this one.
Okay. Select the
Um,
navigation. You have just taken the quick action. You have to select the navigations also.
yes, I have done it actually. The navigation, I have added the URL part.
Okay. Where is the output?
This one. Can you able to see it?
Output will be on home page. Complete home page.
Oh, okay, one second. Can we have the enable?
Okay. I think you have not taken that screenshot from home
Yes,
page.
yes, that's yeah.
Uh,
It's not yet showing.
if you have saw the result, it's okay. Let it be. You can show me afterwards. Yeah. You can continue.
The next one is the theme manager. So if you are adding any theme manager, we have to go with the default one. Where
Complete down. Complete down.
one second. Yeah, this one we have to go with the duplicate one first.
It depends upon your requirement. Any for any. uh, like a theme we can take and we can create. There are two standard in real time also. Some standard theme will be there, and you will be duplicating that one.
Yes, yes, yes. Depends upon the client requirement. We are going with the new team manager.
Yeah.
He's okay, then we can go with the default one.
Yeah, because you don't know the logo size, the color, the fonts, how they required, right? So
Yes,
according to them, we will be configuring.
yes.
So if you come down there from SAP, there are two default theme managers are available. So you can click on them and make it duplicate and edit.
Yes. If we are changing any theme, then we can change this. So if you are changing any quick thing, we can click on over here. And after that, from fine tune, if you are changing any background or anything, then we can go from here. And if you are giving any URL of image, then we can give the URL over here. If it's texture image, we can choose like any color like less dark
Mm.
or any color which client agree, then we can select from here. And
Mm.
here this is the image display, like um, image display repeat whether the image client wants to repeat any kind of image like,
Mm.
then we can repeat over here. So if it is not no repeat is required, we can select no repeat. And then the position, this is the image position, whether if it is left or center or right, get it over here. And this part is background. After that is this one is header background.
Mm.
This is header background, whether if it needs any image or color anything, we can select from here. And then this is the logo part. If you are going with default logo, we can go with the default one. Or if you wants to upload any kind of logo, then we can select from here and then select the logo. This is this where the logo with size. We can select the size of the logo over here. I have doubt on placement. What is it actually? I forgot it.
Mm.
It's a drop-down box, right? Placement.
That will come in module picker.
Okay.
Next slide.
It says landing page.
Mm.
On landing page, you can select the themes over here. Like what kind of theme the client's required, you can select from here. And from model picker, this is the model picker where this one. If you want to change any color or anything, we can select from here.
Mm.
And then menus, these things all comes in menus. And for global navigation, if you are changing any color, anything, and you can select from here. Okay, that's my fun.
Okay, very good.
Outlets, I forgot it several times again.
Mm.
Outlet is the employee profile page, right? Am I right, Kavita?
Sorry, can you repeat?
Portlet, the term called is employee profile page, right? Profile page designer view. Am I right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Portlet, if you are changing any colors or anything in the employee profile, we can change from here. And this is the home page. Again, if you are uploading any image or anything, you can select from here. Adding page styles. Then V12, if you have any cards or anything, in home page, there is cards are showing, right? If you're changing any color or anything, you can select from here. And the primary buttons. Primary button, this all these are this. If you're changing any color in primary button, you can select from here. Tables and list. And footer, if you're changing any footer color or anything, you can change. Select from here. So finally, once we done all those all the things, we have to export it. Once we are exporting the things, we can copy over here and close it, and import thing. We have to paste it over here and import the same. And finally, we have to save. So I have tried this review login, but it was not working. Anyways, I'm going with finally give it a try.
No problem. Go with other topic.
Okay. And then the next one, it is when once you are done that team manager, after that next step would be the configuring the company structure. So whenever we are configuring the company structure, the company has a code. We have to mention the code and name over there. We have to select the company name. So we are configuring the company structure.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
So we are going with company structure overview. And from here, we have to add it from here. And we have to select the code. So I'm just selecting HCL. I have actually added that this one, but it was removed, Kavita.
Yeah, people who are practicing, they may have removed it one or two.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that's why I asked you to take the screenshot while working.
Okay. 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 So root entity, we have to mention the legal entity. Legal.
ఇక్కడ ఇమోజు అందరూ చూసేలా
It's already there, so I'm adding new one.
Let the water get drain. We will try once again. What is the other topic?
Company structure only and
What is the other topic?
legal entity.
Please continue.
So from
Continue this.
legal entity, we have to add layout.
Complete this company structure overview. So you have taken the screenshots, everything. You're not doing live demonstration, right?
I'm doing live demonstration only. I just take a couple of screenshots only.
Okay.
Um,
Okay. No problem. No problem. You can show the screenshot.
One So here from here we have to add we have to add a new component. And after that, through legal entity, we have to add a layout. So from layout, we have some. You want me to show that layout configuration? So,
Yeah, yeah, continue. It's correct only.
yeah, do you want me to show or just can I explain the same?
No, no, explain. That's fine.
Okay. So from the legal entity, we have to select the layout and visible fields. After that, description to be added, and then and we have to select from description. After that, we have to select the employee and his position and everything. And once we are done with that, after that, we have to select the child unit. From child unit, we have to select the business unit, and after that, from business unit, we have to add what is the business and other things and all. And from there, we have to select the division. And from if we are adding any division, we have to create a code. Uh, we have to create a code and add it over there. And from the division, we have to add department. And for department, we have to add the code of the department. And once we are done with that, after that, we have to select cost center. And after that, after we selecting cost center, we have to add a code. And finally, we have to save and proceed. And after that, once we've done all those things, after that, this is how it looks. This is the company structure which I have created last. I've taken a screenshot of this.
Well,
If you would like to view organization chart, then from global action, we have to view organization chart, view structure, and company structure overview. And once we do, after that, we can export.
very good. Yeah, so you have created three levels of organization structure.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, good. Next topic.
That's it. Last class, we have done organization structure only. After that,
Okay, so legal entity creations and all we haven't done.
yes.
Thank you so much for explaining complete topic. It was very nice. Just change that data center. Learn about data center, and in so many means just keep for your reference. You don't need
Yes,
to
sir.
show the data centers, and learn about what is testing system, production system, quality system, and one more production system, development system.
Why we are
Or
not calling it as staging? Kanta?
no, no,
Staging.
quality it is.
Okay.
Huh. Production, development, testing, and quality. So we call them as systems or instances or environment or tenants. Okay, all these
Okay.
technologies will be used for to call the systems. Just change that headline for data center. Create one more page and update about the data centers. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
Huh. But apart from that, everything is fine. So to
Okay.
Adish is also not there, so we can stop here. Tomorrow again, some deep configurations will be there, like your legal entity, how to
Okay.
configure legal entity, and where we can see all those things we can see. Okay, and
Sure.
your presentation should be ongoing, same in this one only, because you don't change different PPTs. Whatever you are
Okay.
doing, you have to just add one slide and make it as week 2, week 3, like that, and continue
Okay.
in the same slide, and try
Okay.
to put more information when you are
Okay.
creating the slide. It will help you in future.
Okay.
Okay.
Can I for a topic? Can I refer some other sites as well?
You can refer, but you try to understand first. Don't copy
Okay.
and okay.
Okay. Okay.
First, you read that. If you understand, if it is matching with our content, SAP content, and then only you update, or else don't update, because other site also like us, only people who have practicing, they may have added the content. So there is no real data anywhere. So you have to read, understand, then only you have to update.
Okay. Got it. Okay.
Huh.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Perfect. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.
Hmm. Okay then.